Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox avatar not loading easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First type here run and click on it. Now go type here local app data percent and click OK. Scroll down until you find here Roblox, and if you find it here, all you need to do now just open app and features, apps and features, type here Roblox, click on it and click on install, and after that close this window, come back here, and if it's still here, just right click on it and click delete, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Now just open Roblox again from your browser, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.